The final result speaks for itself. Now let's go behind the scenes. I'm Aide. I make videos about the outdoors, whether it's camping, overlanding, or the gear we build and use, especially the rooftop tents handmade by my husband Nima. Most of the time, my little one Shahan is right there with me. In this video, I'm taking you behind the scenes of installing one of our rooftop tents on this old petrol. Let's get into it. This installation is a bit different from regular ones on metal roofs, because this part of the petrol's body is made of fiberglass. We use two custom-made rails that help spread the weight evenly across the roof. If you mount the tent straight onto the fiberglass, it puts too much pressure in one spot, and that can lead to cracks or even break the roof. So the key is to spread the load across the whole surface. Each rail is secured in 6 spots using bolts and lug nuts. We drilled 6 mm holes on each side of the roof. Even though we placed the foam under the rails to protect the car's paint and prevent water from getting in, we still seal around each hole with silicone just to be extra safe. We placed the lug nuts into the rail slots. Held them from underneath with a wrench and tightened the bolts from the top with a drill. For the crossbars, we used 2 custom brackets per side. These were bolted in place and securely mounted to the rails. Once done, we added end caps to the rails for a clean finish. At the front of the car, we used 2 special mounts, as you see, that attach to the rain gutters. To avoid damaging the surface, we placed gel-style double-sided tape under their bases. Then we installed the crossbars, 2 bars at the rear mounted to the rear brackets, 1 bar at the front attached to the rain gutter mounts. Just like we explained in the previous Prado video, the spacing between the racks was the same. About 40 cm between the first and second one, each crossbar is 8 cm wide, and about 55 cm between the second and third one. Next, we attached 6 tent mounting brackets to the ends of the crossbar to secure the tent to its base. We aligned and leveled the front and rear bars using the middle one as a reference. Once everything was ready, we added the lonacamp logo, lifted the tent onto the roof, and slid the bolts into the mounting channels. Then we aligned them and tightened a total of 18 bolts, 9 on each side. These bolts are removable, so you can take the tent off whenever needed. At the end, we used an impact wrench to make sure everything is tightly secured. Let's try out the tent and see how it looks all set up on the patrol.